welcome to Scodeen Global. Do you know what are components of deep learning or artificial neural networks? Artificial neural networks consist of data inputs, weights, biases, activation functions, and outputs. Data inputs are data that you wish to process. Weights determine the importance of each input on the outcome. Biases represent the amount of assumptions that are made on output. A higher bias means more assumptions are made, while a lower bias means less assumptions are made. Activation functions are a combination of the weighted sum of the inputs and the bias applied. They determine whether the data will be transmitted to the next layer of the network. Outputs are decisions made by the deep learning program. Let's check some real-time application where deep learning is used. Home assistance devices, self-driving vehicles, that is automated car, and Google DeepMind's AlphaGo program. One of the most popular example of deep learning is Google DeepMind's AlphaGo program. The system was trained to play Go, a board game, by pitting itself against professional players. Thank you for watching us. Have a great day.